Hi everyone. So I am showing you what I have for sale, and it is a Websters Pages Pocket Traveler's Notebook with a donut pouch and some washi tape. And so all of this comes together when you buy it, and the set is $40. We have some washi tape here that says "Love You Latte." Then it has a coffee bean on it, and then it says coffee. And this one here has coffee cups. How cute is that? And these are scratch and sniff. So they are, when you scratch them, they're supposed to smell like coffee. And they do. They smell great. In the package, they had like a little circle sticker that you can scratch, and it actually smells like coffee. This is a pouch that I purchased, and it will have everything in it that I'm getting ready to show you. How cute is that? It has pink donuts, yellow, blue, brown with sprinkles, and then it has this pretty shimmer, and these are little stars. I'll put it close so you can see. And then it also has sprinkles around. So this is actually very pretty. And it has a gold zipper. Okay. And now for the Webster's Pages Pocket TM. Okay, so you have this pretty donut pink and gold charm that I have added on there. There is a tag on here that says "Give Thanks" with a Swarovski crystal I added. And then over here, this little charm with a couple of beads on there, and this coffee cup with a coffee bean attached. And this is by Swarovski. This is absolutely cute. Absolutely cute. Goes perfect with the cold coffee theme. This here is a pretty bead, and it has swirls on it, and it reminds me of a coffee bean. I probably just repeated myself. It reminds me of a coffee bean. So that's why I added on this. Super cute. And let's see what you're going to get on the inside. Ta-da! We have some crystals. Oops, we have some crystals on the side that I added. Okay, this is gold, and then this is like a chocolate brown. And then this is a sticker, and it does slide up and down. If you see here, it is clear. So you can easily pull it out. It's not attached to this white paper back here. So you can actually slide both of them out and have this as an empty pocket, or you can put something different on the inside. And my camera just went out of focus. There it goes. And then this is a cute little pouch that I added in a zipper pouch. And on this side, you can stick a card in here if you choose to. I purposely left that blank so you can add whatever you want to in here. And then it opens up, and you can even add like some stickers in between here. If you wanted to, or whatever, you can add in between here. And then the zipper pouch actually have some stickers I added in there. Coffee stickers. Okay, so you can decorate coffee and donuts. And then here is a custom covered mini notebook that I added. And this says all you need is coffee is all I need. And I put crystals on there. And this is a lined notebook all the way through. And then the second notebook, you have this acetate gold, and these sprinkles, these remind me of sprinkles. And so that's why I decided to get this paper here and add it to this little notebook. It's super cute. And then this is brown and gold, like shimmer paper. And then I added a coffee cup with a heart here on it. And this one is blank on the inside. As you see, it's blank pages on the inside. And then the acetate goes around there. So this acetate doesn't come off. I glued it on there, so it's not sliding all over the place, you know. So yeah, super cute. And then this last insert that I did a custom cover to has Swarovski crystals added in some of the donuts, not all, but some of them. Just have them a little scattered to be super cute. And it also has gold foil, as you see. I thought that was amazing. And then on the inside, you have hot pink. And I added a sticker in there that matches with the gold, and it says coffee time. How cute is that? And then this here is blank pages too. And then on the back, I did not add any stones, but you still have your foil. And then there's white donuts here on the back. I didn't see any whites on the front. Okay, well, it's like right here. And then there's one here and one there. Okay, so there's a few of them. And then there's a couple of them on the back, which is super cute. And then this has foil too. And then I made cute little paper clips that has donuts, and I added a crystal on there. So this is what you get when you purchase this set here. Absolutely cute. So you can use this for whatever your heart desires. I see a lot of people using it for their war binders and little prayer journals. This is a perfect size that you can carry in your purse. So when you go to your little coffee shop, or you go to like, let's say, a bookstore, and you're sitting down in a coffee shop that they have connected to the bookstore. You can write in your journal, draw in your journal, do whatever, like I said, your heart desires. But yes, this is the set that all comes together. Your two washi tapes, your TN, in your little pouch. And so thanks for watching. Sorry about my toes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And watch out for other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. And I will put the link at the bottom to my store where you can purchase. Bye-bye. God bless.